7:15 a.m. Packs in the car. I could eat breakfast and I'm on the road. 8:23, Sunday morning, and so the great adventure begins. The suspension bridge over the Pemi-Loop River, or at least the east branch of the Pemi-Loop River. This is what's known today as the Lincoln Woods Trail. It used to be just called the Wilderness Trail back in the old days, but at some point they split the Wilderness Trail 3 miles ahead up here, and they called this part Lincoln Woods and the rest of the trail the Wilderness Trail because this part's not in the wilderness. Whatever. It's an old railroad logging bed when they were logging the Pemi, and there are in places still railroad ties. Here's one of the ties with a spike still in it. That one only sticks up a 3/8 of an inch. Some of them, at least used to, stick up a lot more than that, and they were real toe stubbers. Here's a stretch where the ties are still in pretty good condition. The one trouble with these ties, they're not spaced at the length of your stride. Oop. And there's a good example of one sticking up an inch. 2 of them right there. I remember Bobby, Matt, and I coming in or out and counting how many spikes we could find. Another one right there. There's lots of them. Osseo Trail. Flume Slide Trail 4. Mount Flume 4.1. Liberty Springs Trail 5.5. Doesn't say it, but Liberty Springs Shelter 5.8. 9:50. Where's my saw? I guess it's just low enough to get over it. Yep. Good thing I'm tall. Been coming up a reasonably steady incline for quite a while. Got a lot more ways to go. But that's how you get there. We're coming a long way up the nice smooth steady trail, and we made a right, and now this little switchback, there's a lot of rock steps, definitely steeper. $11:28, and I got to the bottom of the first set of stairs. This is just one little short thing. There are more. Yet another little flight of stairs. If there's anything that's encouraging, it's a big flight of stairs followed by a little flight of stairs. I just come up 2 flights of stairs there, and I turn the corner and I look up, and I got 2 more flights of stairs to go up there. The theme for this morning, steps. I've come up 2 sets of steps, but I have 4 more sets to go up. My second 100. The summit of Mount Flume. 1 o'clock, Sunday, June 6th. A little hump in the foreground is Osseo. That's Route 3/93 going through Franconia Notch down there. Liberty will be there in another hour or so. And over there, Little Haystack, Lincoln, Lafayette. Maybe tomorrow. Right now we got to make it a few more feet up Flume. This is the true summit of Flume. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, 1 o'clock at Flume. Now we'll go over, just plot our way down and back up to Liberty. From the summit of Mount Liberty, there's Flume. It's Franconia Notch. And up that way, they all blend together, but it's Little Haystack, Lincoln, Lafayette, and then Garfield. We'll see if we get over there tomorrow. So it's 3:10. I'm coming down off Liberty, and I think right here at the sign, I'm coming to the Liberty Springs Trail. This is Franconia Notch. That's the way I want to go tomorrow. But there's no place to sleep right there, so I got to go 3/10 of a mile down the mountain to find a place to sleep. But there's water there. That's why the campsite's there. Liberty Springs, Tentsite 6. My home away from home. Boiling my water. I've got my sweet and sour grilled chicken just waiting to be rehydrated. I went and filtered some more water, so I've got plenty of water. They got beer boxes here to put the food in, so we're good to go. The black flies are a bit much. They weren't bad all day until I got to the summit of Mount Liberty,